In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to invest S&P 500 Moomoo. The key idea to remember right from the start is that you don't buy the S&P 500 index directly. Instead, you buy an ETF or exchange-traded fund that tracks the S&P 500. That's the part many beginners miss, so keep it in mind as we move through the process. Begin by opening the Moomoo app and logging in. On the home screen, tap the search icon. This is where you'll look up the specific ETFs that follow the S&P 500. In the search bar, type SPY, VOO, or IVV. These are three of the most popular S&P 500 ETFs. SPY is from SPDR, VOO is from Vanguard, and IVV is from iShares. All three aim to track the same index, so they'll look very similar in terms of performance. The differences usually come down to small details like expense ratios, trading volume, or the fund provider, but for a beginner, any of these can do the job. Tap into the ETF page you selected. Take a moment to review the chart to see how the fund has moved over time, check the current price, and look through the holdings. You'll notice it owns about 500 large US companies, which is the whole idea behind the S&P 500. You'll likely see names like Apple, Microsoft, Amazon, and Nvidia among the top positions. If available, also glance at the fund's overview, volume, and expense ratio so you understand what you're paying to own it. When you're ready, tap Trade, then choose Buy. Now decide how you want to invest. If fractional shares are supported for that ETF in your region, you can enter an amount in dollars, which is great for starting small, like investing $10. If you prefer whole units, switch to shares and enter the number of shares you want, such as one full share. Next, choose your order type. A market order buys at the best available price right now and typically executes quickly during market hours. A limit order lets you set a specific price. The order will only fill at that price or better, which gives you more control but isn't guaranteed to execute immediately. Once you've made your selection, tap Buy and confirm the order details. To wrap up, remember you're not buying the index itself. You're buying a fund that holds a diversified basket of roughly 500 US companies for you. Search SPY, VOO, or IVV, review the ETF page, tap Trade, choose amount or shares, select market or limit, and confirm. That's it. You've invested in the S&P 500 on Moomoo.